Hey everyone, let me show you how easy it is to make Cinderella's magic carriage. So I'm starting off by sketching a pumpkin. I did it in pencil first and then I went over it with chalk. The great thing about chalk is that you can erase it. So I'm just going over my pencil lines and then I'm smudging it out with my fingers, following the direction of the line. And I'm using some pink chalk for the window. So for the inside of the pumpkin shape, I'm actually going to use light blue and white, and then just smudging it out with my fingers. And then adding some final details to the top of the carriage. I'm going to make these lines to make it look like it's glowing. And then again, smudging it out with my fingers and moving my fingers in an outward direction. So I'm using some black chalk for underneath the wheels to make it look like it's on the ground and smudging it out with my finger. I used an eraser because I thought it was too strong. It left a little bit of a shadow and I liked how that looked. Now with some paint and a toothbrush, I'm going to flick some pixie dust just to make it look more magical. And finally with a paint pen, I'm going to go over my lines. I started with an acrylic paint pen and it wasn't working as well as I wanted it to, so I ended up using a chalk paint pen instead, which worked out much better. Just go over the lines as best as you can. And that is our beautiful Cinderella carriage. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. You can support me on my Patreon, and I will see you soon.